To learn more about how to clean cars and start a business.
I came to the seminar to get more in depth with the company and to get a little bit more knowledge and hopefully one day own my own company.
Just to learn more details about cleaning. I think I'm doing a good job, but then after I step back and look what I did, I see some flaws in what I did, and for some reason I'm not doing something right. I'd like to learn how to fix that.
I wanted to learn about detailing cars, possibly start my own business and grow from there.
I was looking at doing detailing. I've been doing it for quite a while, part-time. I've been wanting to do something full-time, and I was looking around trying to find a good place, and their reviews here were outstanding and just a great place to work at, and started purchasing stuff with y'all, and I love everything about what y'all produce.
Well, several reasons. One, we have already an existing car wash business and a mobile lube express business, and wanted to, first of all, be trained, fully trained, professionally trained in the detail part of the business so we can expand our business, and also to train myself so I can train my staff the proper way of detailing cars.
We're looking to open a mobile detail company and looking to get some experience on the ins and outs of the mobile business.
I wanted to start my own mobile auto detailing business, and I went online and searched around, and you guys came up online being the closest detailing school close to me.
To be honest with you, I have been told by a friend of mine named Mike that came to this program 2 years ago, and he told me this is a great program to understand and learn the great gratitudes of detailing.
I was actually referred to by a buddy of mine. He told me about the class. He told me you will basically learn from A to Z what you need to know about detailing, and here I am.
I'm here to start my own detailing business when I get up to school in IUP.
We needed a little more training with the buffing and polishing, and the guys here really know how to show you how to do it the right way the first time. From buffing to polishing to waxing, everything you need to know.
It's pretty good stuff. It's real interesting. Some stuff I didn't know that was what you're supposed to do and how to start a business exactly, but hey, it's gonna help me and my partner pretty well.
I thought pretty good. I feel pretty good about it. Learning a lot so far. Can't wait for the rest of the weekend to learn even more.
It's amazing. There's a lot to learn. It's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that a guy doesn't think of. Very informative.
Man, we're learning a lot. People think it's real simple, but there's a lot of different aspects to it. And Detailed King gives you a rough idea of what you gotta do.
The business class seems to be pretty good. It's got a lot of information and little key ideas I didn't think about as I was working. I do have my own shop already started, and it's little things like that. The class I've learned today that would really help out with helping out with certain things that I didn't really realize.
Better than I expected.
It's been very informative.
Class is very informative. A lot of information to take in on the first day, but it's great information. I need it all.
Business side, I really, honestly, with me not knowing much about detailing, there's a lot of stuff that I'm learning right now into this program.
I'm actually surprised you a lot more than I thought I would learn so far, and there's a lot more to learn, so I'm here.
I thought it was great. I learned a lot of things about how to get scratches out and stuff like that, and the guys that work here at Detail King, they're real good, real close hands-ons with you and show you how to get it done right.
I thought it was very good, very productive. I learned a lot more than I already knew. Ready to get started on the next day.
Very good so far, learning how to apply the different waxes and sealants. Very knowledgeable information.
Today's training was good because we got hands-on. We got to see all the different products and how they work, and just the different steps on how to do it.
It's been pretty good. There's lots of new stuff that I was learning a little bit here and there about different ideas, different techniques to do things. better ways to do things, save time, save money.
Excellent training. It's improving my knowledge on car care. Basically it's improving what I thought I knew, and it's actually redirecting me to be able to take care of the cars that we service where we are a lot better. And I feel really, really good about this whole training.
I think it's a very informative. The guys really take the time to explain the ins and outs of what to do for the different situations on the exterior.
A wealth of information. I've learned that a buffer is not just a buffer. You know, there's different polishers and equipment that, you know, the equipment by itself is just great. It's just, I've used different type of materials before, and the materials that I use today is just, with the equipment, is outstanding.
Today's training was great. Like I said, it was great in learning the buffing side because I never have done it. It's good to see other people watching them do the buff job and learning more from the instructors, so it was a great day.
It was pretty helpful. They started off with the basics. They got me really comfortable with the machinery, on how to buff, polish, wax, seal. Enjoyed myself. They were really good at teaching. Definitely recommend it to anybody that wants to learn more. Definitely come to Detail King.
I really enjoyed the training. It was really nice to see the difference you make whenever you got a lot of scratches on a car, then you can actually like buff those out. So it's really nice after we put the polish on, got it all shiny and stuff.
It's been good. How to get scratches out, swirls out, a little wet sanding, training also. The crew here is great at Detail King, and I highly recommend them.
I thought it was pretty good. Pretty interesting stuff I learned today, and I enjoyed it very much.
Fantastic. I'm an interior guy myself, and there's way more steps that I didn't know about.
It's very in-depth. Learned a couple of tricks and be helpful when I get back home to use.
I thought it was really informative, just for you to learn and have a hands-on approach and see all the different steps and basically follow a pattern, basically a sequence.
The interior training is pretty good. There's a lot of stuff that I learned, little techniques and ideas of things how to do stuff correctly. I've got a lot of this stuff already, and it's just a little knick-knack stuff of the training that really helps make it worthwhile.
Well, the interior training is excellent, just like the exterior training. It's top-notch, very well done, great instructors, very detailed instructors.
I love it. It was great. All the training that we receiving, the exterior and the interior, has been very helpful. A lot of information.
Oh, the interior training was great. First time actually getting hands-on with the carpet extractor. Really liked it.
It was pretty good. It's good to be hands-on with stuff, so for people that think that they're good with detailing, I mean, it's different knowing and actually doing it. So it's really good actually being hands-on with the work. I definitely like, the instructors that actually break things down to you, how to do the job a lot easier, a lot faster, give you tips and better ways to kind of make the job faster and easier, which is what everybody wants in a business.
It was very informative. The trainers are great. They teach you the process and the steps to take. Very helpful.
Pizza was good. Loved the pizza, and the class was pretty awesome itself too.
It was great. Didn't know that there were so many steps that I didn't realize I wasn't doing.
Very interesting, very in-depth training.
It was real informative, and for somebody like me that I didn't know much, and I was just like YouTube videos and kind of learning, but that can only take you so far until you be with somebody and they can see your work and they can critique it and show you how to do it better.
The weekend training's been good. It's really worth it. The classroom is like any other classroom you go to. It can be a little slow at times just because you're sitting down all day, but it's worth it at the end. You learn everything you need to learn. It helps you out with stuff. Nobody likes classwork, but you know, you gotta start somewhere and you gotta get into it and be able to go into the exterior and interior components of the vehicles too. Anyone can clean a vehicle, but if you don't know how to run a business, then it ain't worth your while.
Extremely. And I'm in the business already, been there for 10 years. Didn't realize how much I did not know.
I'm receiving a lot of information, things that I didn't know that I thought that I knew, and I'm learning the right way to do things. So it's great. It's going to be very helpful for me and the people that I will train and will also send down here to be trained.
Overall, what's your opinion of the entire weekend's training from Friday through right now?
From overall, I feel like it actually helped me out a whole lot. Definitely could tell you that, especially from the exterior class, doing the buffing, the interior class, like I said, with hands-on on carpet extractor, and plus also using the products, learning how to use Detail King products. It was great.
Overall, I think it was really good. Like I said, the instructors were great. They basically give you everything you need to know from A to Z. How to cut the time, how to get you a better, job at the end to make it look really good. And that's pretty much what everybody wants, a good job and less time.
From the exterior to the interior, learned a lot of tricks, things that'll make things go a little smoother and faster. Overall, it's a great experience.
Oh, yes, sir, I will. I send many people as I can up this way.
Absolutely. Started doing that last night.
If I knew somebody that was interested in detailing, yeah, I would definitely have them come here.
Yes, I would definitely refer anybody looking to get into this career or have your own business.
Yeah, I would. I would refer a lot of people to come to the class here, especially employees.
I would refer just about anybody that's in the industry to come to the school.
Most definitely. My son and my brothers, I got people already lined up.
I'm telling you right now, I definitely will. If there anybody I know that willingly want to do this detailing business and learn all that, definitely come to this class. I would definitely recommend that.
Absolutely. I mean, like I said, if someone is in the lines of trying to have a detail shop or a mobile detail shop or even just to learn, it's something great for everybody. I definitely recommend people to come and get the experience they need from them.
I'll definitely have a couple more of my employees down for the class to get some training, and I'll probably attend with them again.